We are looking at a histogram table, and the table gives information about the heights in centimetres of some plants. So in order to draw a histogram, we need, as you might notice, we don't actually have a scale at the side. So what we need to do is a histogram, whatever the bar is, if it's 10 at the bottom and it's 35, whatever the bottom is, the area is 35, so it means the side has to be 3.5. So 10 to 20, that's 10 centimetres difference. The frequency is 35, so therefore the frequency density, or the thing that goes up the side, will be 35 divided by 10, that is a 5 by the way, which equals 3.5. And then we just do the same with all of these, so 45 divided by 15 is 3, and you have to do this first so then you can see what scale it's got to be. This is 15 divided by 75 divided by 15, which is 5. 40 divided by, that's 20 difference, so 40 divided by 20 is 2, and that's 8 divided by 10, which is 0.8. Okay, now from this point onwards we can actually fill in the sides, so we know it needs to go up to 5, which is convenient. If it suddenly looked a bit weird, I'd rethink the whole thing. Now, so we do 10 to 20 is 3.5, so let's just mark that up there. Use a ruler. Don't do what I do. 20 to 35 is 3. So that's 20 to 35 is 3. 35 to 50 is 5. Oh, this is I'm finding it very unappealing how I'm doing the lines. 50 to 70 is 2. And then 70 to 80 is 0.8. And that is how we do the histogram. There you go. Right. Work out an estimate for the number of plants with a height greater than 40 centimetres. So this is where 40 is. Okay. So we know that in the 50 to 70 region we have 40. We know in the 70 to 80 region we have 8. So that means we know that this bit onwards is 48. Now what we've got to do is, this bit here was 75, I think. So we've got to assume that this is the bit that we're going to use. So we're going to do 2/3 of 75, which is 50. So I'm going to assume, I mean it's an estimate, but 50 plus 48 equals 98. I don't love the way I've set that out. Okay, but imagine, so you say 50 or greater, so greater than 50 equals 48, and then 2/3 of 75, which is the 35 to 50 region. Right, without using a calculator, rationalise the denominator of 6 over 3 minus root 7. So on the bottom I'm going to write 3 and root 7. Top I'm going to write 3 and root 7, and then I'm going to look, it's minus on the bottom, so we're going to make it plus. And this, I'm going to times that by that. So on the bottom we get, what's nice about this is we get rid of, so that's minus root 7, and that's 3 plus root 7. So we get 9, and root 7 times root 7 is root 49, but it's minus root 49, so that's minus 7. And then this would be minus 3 root 7 and plus 3 root 7, and that doesn't exist. So on the bottom we're going to get 9 minus 7, which equals 2. On the top, we're going to get 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 6 times root 7, which is 6 root 7. So the answer is 18 plus 6 root 7. But we can make that simplify. We can simplify that by saying 18 over 2 is 9 and 6 over 2 is 3. So we put root 7 after that. And that is it for a minute.